We are starting the third one. So in question number third, they have told AM is the median of a triangle ABC. So what they have given that AM is the median. If AM is the median, what the median work it is doing? It is dividing this line in a two equal part. It means what BM equal MC. So here we will write AM is the median of triangle ABC. So what will come? BM equals CM. So these two sides are equal. It will divide in this two equal part because this is the median and that is the work of the median. It divides in a two equal parts. So BM equal how much? CM. So these two sides are equal and they have told what we need. We have to prove what? We have to prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So this we need answer. So we will prove this one. So remember, whenever it is coming is means what, that we need the answer. At the last we will simplify it with the given condition and at the last we need this answer. So how we will find this answer? We are seeing it is dividing this triangle ABC in this two parts. So we will take this two triangle. Why? Because we need the AM. And where is the AM? This is the AM. So with this AM we are seeing it is making the triangle this ABM and other triangle it is making what? ACM. So here again we will apply the property by using which property? Triangle inequality property. So which triangle? In triangle. Which one? This ABM. So in triangle ABM. So remember here we need the AM. So that's why we are taking this line and with this line we are seeing this two triangle it is making. So we can take any triangle first. If you want to take the angle ACM, so we can take first ACM, then we can take the ABM. Now we are taking the ABM. In this ABM, we will apply that only the property. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So here we will take which? AB plus BM. What will come? AB plus BM will come greater than AM. So this two sides we are taking which one? This one and this one. So we have learned the property. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So when we will add this two sides AB and BM, it will come greater than AM. We can take this 2 also. When we will take this 2 and we will add this 2, what will come? It will come greater than this one. So what will come here? BM plus AB. Sorry. BM plus AM. It will come greater than AB. So when we will add this 2, it will come greater than this side. And when we will add this one, AB and AM, what will come? It will come greater than this one. So AB plus AM, it will come what? BM. So it is coming. This three condition can come when we are taking this triangle. Now forget this one. When we will take this triangle, so the sum of two sides is greater than third side. The sum of two sides is greater than third side. The sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So we can add any two sides and it will come greater than the other side. But here what we need? We need after greater than, what we need? AM. So where is the AM? And this AM we are having, and this AM is not there, and this also AM is not there. So we are not writing this one. Why? Because this is not of our use to get this answer, because after greater than we need the AM. But here after greater than, AM is only in one condition. Which one? This one. In other two, AM is not there. So no need to write this one. So remember, when we will write at the first time only, so we will check here after greater than what we need, AM we need. So where it can come the AM? When we will add this 2, it will come the AM. So when we will add this 2, it will come AM. So this only we will write only one condition. So this is our equation number 1. Now we will write another triangle in triangle ACM. Now we will draw this one. So in this ACM, so here also we need AM. So this AM is there. So we will add this 2, this one and this one. So what will come? It will come greater than AM. So what we will write? That AC plus CM is greater than AM. This is our equation number 2. See, it is also coming after greater than AM will come. So that only condition we will write. Other two conditions no need to write. Now after this, what we will do? Adding equation number 1 and 2. We will do the plus of this one. Why we are doing the plus of this one? Because we need here see AB plus BC plus CA. So here AB is there, here BM and CM. So BM and CM together they are making a complete line. Which one? BC. Because BC, what we can write the BC this? Here what is there? BM is there and CM. So what we can write? BM plus CM. So when we will add this complete two lines, this one and this one, it is making one complete line. Which one? BC it is making. So that will come how much? BC. So that's why we are adding this one. And here you see we need the CA. So we have written here AC. So in place of AC, what we will write? To write the CA, what we need. It is also correct to write the AC. But what they have asked in the question, that only will write. So here we are adding. So what will come? AB plus BM, and here what is there? CA plus CM is greater than. Here what is there after greater than? AM. Here also what is there? Plus AM. So we add this AM plus AM. So here now see AB plus BM plus CM. We have written this BM and CM together. Then we have written the CA. And AM plus AM, what will come? 2AM. And BM plus CM, when we will add this two lines of different triangles, so what we are seeing, we can make a complete line. So in place of BM plus CM, what we can write? BC we can write. And this only we need in our answer. So your answer it is K. So this is our answer number 3rd.